rushing towards the court.
Rushing কিছু হবে না, who is for the other side, এখন আর কিছু হবে না, take out application 17 তাড়াতাড়ি
As for the petitioner, your lordship,
led by Mr. Advocate. Baba. Yes.
your lordship, I am for the petitioner.
But I am for the club. But we have not been made a party. But it's the allegation we are basically the present management of the club.
Your lordship,
Yes, madam.
may I, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, I am the petitioner. I am giving a written complaint to the Hirapur police station, annexed P2, your lordship, on 21/4/2025 for a page number 62 to 68, your lordship,
Yes.
for financial irregularities, misappropriation of club money amounting to rupees 4 crore 81,58,115. Please note that, your lordship, I am asking for a police investigation lodging a FIR for the period 2021 to 24, where I, being a petitioner, is holding the chair of a president. So technically, I am asking for a lodging a FIR against me also, your lordship. But your lordship, Hirapur police station didn't call me to investigate about the matter. Or I've been aggrieved, and I write an email to Deputy Commissioner of Police, P3, page number 69 to 75. But Deputy Commissioner of Police don't take any action, your lordship. Your lordship, subject to your correction, on landmark judgment of Supreme Court of India, Lalita Kumari state that the police are required to register an FIR as soon as they have received information about a cognizable offence. Failure to do so is considered a violation of legal and constitutional obligation and shall invite contempt. Your lordship, my humble submission as a student of law before your lordship, that your lordship, police department also encourage their officer to file highest number of FIR, and for this they are awarded their officer. But they are also, your lordship, I don't know the reason. Reason is best.
Yes, you got a
police
report.
officer.
Yes, my lord, we have a report.
Yes.
That is primarily, my lord, a private dispute which is being, my lord, converted into a criminal case. The gentleman was a president of a club. He could not succeed in the next election. Contested for the post of president, could not succeed. The obvious aftermath is that this complaint comes. Your lordship, may I have a look to my report? I don't think that is essential, but please have a look to it.
Your lordship, police
Sir,
never
we have-
called me.
We have, my lord,
They never investigate about my allegations. The allegation I made for the term where I am holding the chair of president.
Thereafter, in accordance with the procedure.
but I don't raise for the timing those issues that
চলে আসুন।
My lord, only
Yukuana 175(3), madam. Petitioner is aggrieved by the fact that in spite of informing the police authorities, particularly the officer in charge or inspector in charge of Hirapur police station, no steps were taken. Petitioner being the petitioner at the relevant point of time, being the president of the Council Club Limited, complained regarding misappropriation / defalcation to the tune of 4.81 crores approximately. Petitioner being the first of such information was sent to inspect an officer in charge of Hirapur on or about 21/4/2025. Subsequently, petitioner sent an email on 8th of May 2025. In spite of such information being sent to the superior officer of police investigate of specific individuals, no steps were taken. Petitioner being aggrieved has approached this court. Petitioner has relied upon the judgment and Lolita Kumari লিখে দেবে, reported in by দিয়ে দেবে, and submitted a that since the information on reveals a cognizable offense, it was incumbent upon the state authorities to register the case. On the other hand, learning aid, advocate aid for the private aid respondent, on the state respondent and submit that the read petitioner was elected as president of the Asansol Club Limited Aid for the period 2021 unto 2024. The thereafter the newly elected executive committee in its meeting dated 25/9 2024 resolved to scrutinize the books of accounts of the previous committee for the period 2023-2024 and 2024-2025, and accordingly a scrutiny committee was formed. Full stop. On scrutiny of the accounts on 26/11 and 24, a report was submitted with financial irregularities on 13 counts. Based on such report of disciplinary committee against the RE Inc. personnel, show cause notice was issued, which included 8 the read petitioner. Full stop. Lastly, it has been submitted aid in the report that during inquiry conducted aid, this inquiry, according to your report, was conducted by whom? The police authorities or you or the club members?
No, police authorities.
Your lordship, police never asked me for an inquiry. He never called me. Then how they submit a report, your lordship?
During
No, the disciplinary action by the club has been taken separately. For that, the petitioner
correct,
filed
madam.
a separate writ petition.
conducted during the inquiry which was conducted by the police authorities, the report of the disciplinary committee and the termination letter of the read petitioner were collected. Full stop. The inquiry which was conducted, full stop, the inquiry which was further conducted aid by the police authority is reflected that the previous executive committee members were examined and all relevant documents of the Asansol Club were verified. However, the police authorities arrived at their opinion even after a full-fledged inquiry. The allegation of the read petitioner could not be substantiated as no cognizable offense surfaced. As such, there was no question of registration of the FIR. Full stop. Since the finding, next paragraph, since the finding of the police authorities are to the extent that no cognizable offense has been made out, and the petitioner is of the opinion that a cognizable offense has been made out, as also taking into account that the petitioner has already approached the officer in charge of Hirapur police station as well as the deputy commissioner of police, the only avenue open to the petitioner is to approach the jurisdictional magistrate under section 175(3) of the BNSS. In case a petitioner approaches the jurisdictional magistrate, learned magistrate aid would assess and ascertain the genuinity of the allegations and thereafter pass necessary directions as he aims aid and proper. Full stop. You are for the?
I am for the club, my lord, the present management, but I am not a party to this proceedings.
ठीक है learned aid advocate enters appearance for the Asansol Club Limited and submits that he has not been added as a party, although he happens to be an affected although the club happens to be an affected party. Full stop. Be that as it may, since the directions above are Since the directions passed will not at this stage FAAA, the Asansol Club Limited, I am of the view that no affidavits are required to be called for. Full stop. Petitioner, if so advised, will take steps in accordance with the directions
Your
passed.
lordship, please give me a copy of
With the
it.
aforesaid observations, WPA কত 18038 of 2025 is disposed of. You are appearing in this matter. Report is submitted. Report submitted by the state be kept with the record. A copy of the report. Huh?
Report.
Why, sir? Give it to them. Inquiry you have done, no cognizable offense.
This is in fact a communication to me.
Huh?
This is in fact a communication to the advocate.
To give them a report, whatever you have done, sir.
But in terms of the statute, we'll inform them that we are
No, they never informed us, your lordship. They never call us for
will
the
be done.
investigation also.
whatever is the statutory procedure that will be followed. Definitely.
Your lordship, kindly submit, give me a report.
আরে ঠিক আছে বাট দেন পুলিশও তেমনি হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা the inquiry officer would communicate the report to the writ petitioner within a 7 day within a period of 7 days from date.
Well, I'm getting.
Civilized.
Beg to appear on behalf of